Pharmaceutics Q1 to 30. 1. The drying method used for heat-sensitive materials is A. Tray drying, B. Freeze drying, C. Spray drying, D. Fluid bed drying. Answer: B. Freeze drying, protects thermolabile drugs, removes water by sublimation. Under vacuum. 2. Half-life in first-order kinetics depends on A. Concentration only, B. Rate constant only, C. Both, D. None. Answer: B. Rate constant only. T1/2 equals 0.693 K, independent of drug concentration. 3. Glass suitable for alkaline solutions is A. Type 1, B. Type 2, C. Type 3, D. NP. Answer: A. Type 1, borosilicate glass, best resistance to leaching. 4. Polymer used for sustained release is A. Starch, B. HPMC, C. Gelatin, D. Agar. Answer: B. HPMC, hydrophilic matrix polymer for controlled release. 5. Function of emulsifying agent is A. Reduce viscosity, B. Reduce interfacial tension, C. Increase solubility, D. Increase stability only. Answer: B. Reduce interfacial tension, surfactants lower tension between oil and water. 6. Higuchi equation relates to A. Zero order, B. First order, C. Diffusion controlled, D. Enzyme controlled. Answer: C. Diffusion controlled, describes diffusion-based drug release from a matrix. 7. Sterilization of ophthalmic ointments is done by A. Dry heat, B. Autoclave, C. Filtration, D. Radiation. Answer: C. Filtration. Ophthalmics are sterilized by membrane filtration. 8. Particle size range of colloids is A. 1 to 100 nanometer, B. 0.2-5 μm, C. 100-1000 μm, D. Greater than 1000 micrometers. Answer: A. 1 to 100 nanometer, typical colloid size. 9. Disintegrant example is A. Talc, B. Starch, C. Mg stearate, D. Sucrose. Answer: B. Starch, absorbs water, swells, breaks tablet. 10. Enteric coating prevents A. Solubility, B. Taste, C. Release in stomach, D. Compression issues. Answer: C. Release in stomach, allows drug release in intestine only. 11. Drug release from osmotic pump follows A. Zero order, B. First order, C. Higuchi, D. Mixed order. Answer: A. Zero order, osmotic pumps provide constant drug release. 12. Bioavailability of oral dosage form can be enhanced by A. Complexation, B. Salt formation, C. Prodrug approach, D. All of these. Answer: D. All of these. Strategies improve solubility, permeability, absorption. 13. Surfactant with HLB18 is mainly used as A. Emulsifier, WO, B. Emulsifier, OW, C. Solubilizer, D. Antifoaming. Answer: C. Solubilizer. High HLB surfactants act as solubilizing agents. 14. Cyclodextrins are used for A. Masking taste, B. Increasing solubility, C. Stability improvement, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Host-guest inclusion complexes improve properties. 15. Capsule shell is made of A. Gelatin, B. HPMC, C. Starch, D. Both A and B. Answer: D. Both A and B. Gelatin, hard, soft, HPMC, vegetarian capsules. 16. Suppository base used for water-soluble drugs is A. Cocoa butter, B. PEG, C. Vitepsol, D. Theobromine oil. Answer: B. PEG, hydrophilic base for water-soluble drugs. 17. Microencapsulation technique used for taste masking. A. Spray drying, B. Coactivation, C. Fluidized bed coating, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. All methods can be applied. 18. Peroxamers are A. Surfactants, B. Bioadhesive polymers, C. Lubricants, D. Buffers. Answer: A. Surfactants, block copolymer surfactants used in formulations. 19. BCS class 2 drugs have A. High solubility, high permeability, B. Low solubility, high permeability, C. High solubility, low permeability, D. Low solubility, low permeability. Answer: B. Low solubility, high permeability. Solubility is limiting factor. 20. Zeta potential indicates A. Particle size, B. Surface charge stability, C. Viscosity, D. None. Answer: B. Surface charge stability. High zeta potential equals stable dispersion. 21.